How to fix Paramount Plus not autoplaying? Step 1. Verify autoplay settings. Ensure that autoplay is enabled in your settings. Go to the app settings and toggle the autoplay option on and off to reset it. Step 2. Restart your device. Restart your streaming device or app. Step 3. Update the app. Check for any available updates for the Paramount Plus app. An outdated app can cause functionality issues. Step 4. Reinstall the app. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can help clear any corrupted data. Step 5. Contact support. If none of these steps work, contact Paramount Plus support for further assistance. So, this is how to fix Paramount Plus not autoplaying.